Want to see the only reason why I bought a Tesla? Toy box, emissions, wonderful. Fart on turn signal, fart on demand. Oh wow, I need to turn left. I'm gonna roll down the window so these people hear it. Sorry. I was really hoping someone would ask that question. Now I can show you this. Well, yes, we have quite a fine selection of some very nice farts. We have not a fart. We have short shorts ripper. We have Falcon heavy. My God. We have ludicrous fart. Sweet baby Jesus. We have Neurastink. You heard boring fart, and then I'm so random. And by the way, if you notice, the whoopee cushion can go from seat to seat. This means if I press the back right, it comes from the back right speaker. If I press the back left, it comes from the back left. I'm gonna make it come from the back right. I'm gonna click fart on demand. If I press the button on my steering wheel, was that a gassy ghost in my back seat? Once again, I'm 27 years old. Thanks, Elon.